Moisture is key for all hair types, and hair butter helps to protect your hair from losing moisture. Hair butter helps to smoothen hair, deeply nourish, and help your hair to prevent breakage. When formulated with the right ingredients in the right way, it contains anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties to help improve your scalp and hair health. Hair butter has helped my hair and scalp. It has improved my hair, deeply nourished my hair, and prevent breakage. So welcome to my channel. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I talk about hair care and skincare you can practice at home on your own. If you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe right now while I share with you how to make this simple, easy to do DIY rosemary hair butter. So the first ingredient we're going to be using is shea butter. Shea butter has vitamin A and E properties to help reduce breakage and split ends. Shea butter helps to protect your hair from heat damage. It helps to deeply nourish your hair and scalp. It helps to strengthen hair shaft, lubricate hair cuticles to keep your hair healthy and protect it from free radicals. Shea butter is great, and that is why we're using it in this recipe or in this formulation. The next ingredient we're going to be using is olive oil. Now, olive oil has been popular in major hair care products. It is known to deeply moisturize hair, just like shea butter. It also helps to soften hair, strengthen hair, and also keep your scalp and hair nourished and healthy. Olive oil has so many benefits for our natural hair, and it also boosts shine to our hair. Now, using olive oil in this recipe is optional. You can choose other oils like grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, or even jojoba oil. The next ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary herb. Now, in this formulation, I'm using dried rosemary herb. Rosemary herb has been proven to promote healthy hair growth. It has also been found to be as effective as topical minoxidil, which is basically a treatment used for alopecia or hair loss. Rosemary herb has also been found to strengthen hair strands. So the next ingredient we're going to be using is rosemary essential oil. Essential oils are highly concentrated oil, so you need to dilute them or mix them with carrier oils or into your DIYs before you can use any essential oil. And rosemary essential oil has lots of properties that you can find with rosemary. Next ingredient we're going to be using is mint essential oil, and mint essential oil also has similar properties with rosemary oil. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to promote blood circulation as well. So to formulate this DIY rosemary hair butter, I'm going to first blend or grind this rosemary herb. I'm using 2 tablespoons of rosemary herb, and if you want this hair butter to be stronger, you can increase the quantity of your rosemary herb. Now, I'm going to drop the right measurement in the description box, so do well to check the description box for the right measurement. So in this bowl, I'm going to be adding my shea butter and my oil and the grinded rosemary herb. So now we have our ingredients ready. and I'm going to be melting these ingredients, mixing them together in a double boiling method, and I'm going to melt it right away. Alright, so this double boiling method is very necessary because if you heat this directly on fire, some of the nutrients will be lost to air. So you also want to do this step of double boiling method to make sure you preserve your nutrients and all the nutrients in the oils, herbs and butter together. So even though it has fully melted, I still went ahead to keep double boiling for another 5 minutes to make sure that the herbs have thoroughly infused into the oil. Now I'll go ahead to filter, and to make sure that my oil is clean with no strands or any tiny herb or particles in my oil, I have to put my cheesecloth into the filter before filtering or before sieving my oil. So now we have our oil very clean with no particles. I'll go ahead to cover this and put it in my freezer for a little while. Now I left it for about 3 minutes, and this is what I have, not fully frozen, because this is how I want it. Once you have it this way, it is easy to whip it up and have that fluffy hair butter. So I'll go ahead to whip up this hair butter. So now our hair butter is looking very fluffy, and it is time for me to go ahead and add my essential oils. First, I'm adding my Rosemary Essential Oil. I'm adding about 8 drops of it. And next I'll be adding my mint essential oil. Also remember, essential oils, you do not need to add so much quantity of it to avoid irritating your scalp. So I'm adding little quantity of my mint essential oil, almost same amount with rosemary essential oil, and then I'll go ahead to mix it thoroughly and then package my hair butter. Now, how do you use your hair butter? First step is to hydrate your hair with water. Water is the best moisturizer, so go ahead to hydrate your hair with water. Then next step is to go in with your leave-in conditioner or your hair cream, and third step is to oil your scalp with your choice oil, and the last step is to apply little portion of hair butter. You don't need much quantity of hair butter. If you do, your hair is going to be greasy and hair butter may weigh your hair down, so you just need little portion of hair butter, and focus more on the tip of your hair, which is the oldest part of your hair. Focus more on that part and then work your way through to your hair. Just a little portion of this DIY rosemary hair butter will do wonders on your hair. Hair butter protects the hair, seals in moisture into your natural hair, which is why it is used as the last step in a hair care routine. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Give me a heart to help me keep pushing more videos like this, and also be part of this community, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, remain beautiful, remain healthy. Bye bye.